Don't do that. Don't do that.
Come on, man.
Nah.
I finally got a little bit of energy,
I'm out
bro.
of here. I'm out of here.
I'm happy to see you, bro. So that's my little skip.
What's up, Big Mike?
How you doing, sir?
You Big Mike? You still Big Mike or you medium Mike? Yeah.
Sexy chocolate Mike. That's always me.
Y'all on YouTube, y'all must be gassing this dude.
It's working. That shit working.
Shoulder day, baby.
Okay.
Straight from Alpha Shred. We'll start out with some barbell strict standing behind the neck.
Okay.
Upright rows. We're gonna skip front delt raises and go straight to side delt raises.
Okay.
And then we're gonna get out of here and we got something else to do.
You always pulling some shit out your ass,
too many
bro.
questions. I don't pull. That's gross.
Okay.
Where do you get this stuff from?
But I don't know.
Why would I pull something out my mouth?
But I mean, out the air. Okay, you know, out the air.
App.
Okay. All right. Okay, got you.
Over there. Come on.
All right, come on. Okay, got you.
Yeah. All right, so today's shoulder day, as you can see, I got Big Mike going behind the neck, right? The reason for that is getting a complete stretch of the shoulders, right? Now, if you had shoulder injuries or had some kind of rehab you had to do, the chiropractor or the doctor would have you doing this exact movement right here. That's why I learned it at.
When I got back to Arizona, I went and saw my masseuse came over, Jen, love you, came over, worked on me for about an hour and a half. My shoulder's much better, a little better range of motion. In addition to that, I also grabbed an ice pack and was icing it down. So still have some issues there, but much better than it was prior to me heading back to Arizona.
Dang, Big Mike, she lifted more than you. She outdoing you.
Listen, she's strong.
Stronger. You know you're stronger than him. Hey. You know you're stronger than him. Look what he's doing. Look what you're doing.
I'm stronger than no one.
You beating him.
You got me.
You got him.
You got me.
All right, so certain differences I've seen with Big Mike is his energy. His energy levels is a lot more vibrant. His personality is a lot more happy. He's a lot more talkative. He's a lot more laughing and joking. This is what happens when you're starting to feel better. You gotta think, he's taken a lot of weight off so far. If you put all that weight in the backpack, it's really heavy. You don't realize how much you're carrying day in, day out, right? So it's wearing you down. So he's a little bit lighter. Not a lot lighter, a little bit lighter. So we still got more to go. He's able to do a lot more now. His work capacity is seeming to be increasing, which is a good thing. All right, let's get it. 15 reps.
15?
All right. 3, 4. When y'all doing this movement, make sure you stay strict. You don't want to bounce on your knees. Very strict press. That way your shoulders getting all the benefit of it. All right, Big Mike, let's go right over here. We're gonna superset with some dumbbell curls. A superset is when you're doing one exercise, and when you're done with that exercise, you take a break, right? But you don't take a complete break, you do another exercise, something different. The benefit of that is keeping your heart rate elevated, all right? So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're doing weight training and you're doing cardiovascular training as well. All right, let's start out with some 35s. Give me some alternating action. Boom, boom. 10 reps. I'm gonna go add some weight over there for you.
Okay.
Let's get it. Good. I like to choose antagonistic muscle groups to superset with. So a lot of people will have the idea of doing back and biceps, chest and triceps, but I don't subscribe to that at all. When you're training your chest, your triceps is doing the work, your shoulders are doing the work, and even your lats are doing the work, right? So why would you further fatigue your triceps if you're training your chest? You're already working your triceps by training chest. So you do an antagonistic muscle group. That's a muscle group that has nothing to do with what you're doing. That way, you're stimulating muscle growth in the entire arm. Your pump's gonna be crazier, and you're not sacrificing anything from your chest workout with this superset, because you don't wanna do that. Let's go. Nice and straight. 2, good. 3, 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, come on. 10, let's go. 11, let's go. 12, come on. 13, 2 more. Uno más. Easy, man. Let's get them some curls, baby. Curls for the girls.
The changes that I've seen in myself, I would say, are twofold. One, obviously, looking at myself daily and then looking at previous pictures, I can see change in my face and then also the way my clothes are wear. They're looser, much looser now. So in addition to that, I think part of my attitude and my confidence has changed also. The way I think about what I'm eating and what I'm putting in my body, when I need to work and how hard I need to work, that's changed for the better.
Make sure you stay around me. At 13, 14, 50, that last 3.
That's what count.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill me. God damn.
The last couple reps is what count. Stay at 15. Whew. Come on. Come on. 2, 3, let's go. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, good. 8, come on. 9, let's go, Mike. 10, let's go. 11, almost there. 12, stay in it. 2 more, come on. I need that last one, give me my change. Good, get all that money.
Nobody cares about excuses, and I don't care about excuses. Mike and the team don't care about excuses. We just want results.
It used to, I was like this with no neck. Now at least you can see my neck and my shoulder a little bit.
Thick neck nigga. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 20 reps.
Yeah.
All right, cable curls, 15 reps. Kind of lean back a little bit. Get more range of motion, come back a little bit with a full stretch. Good. Good. So you try to get them beach muscles activated, baby. Come on. Good. Good. Come on.
15. Yeah.
See, the only time I want a person like Big Mike who need to lose weight doing something like this is if it's a superset. You're not coming in just doing your arms, just doing biceps. We ain't got time for that. We gotta double up these exercises, compound them together so you get the most out of it, all right? So yeah, he's training his arms, but he's still, this is like doing cardio, going from that to this. Heart rate staying elevated, all right? Let's get it. Pounds, all right? So this journey, this whole series is gonna be on the Earn Your Leisure Network. Y'all don't wanna miss it. Big Mike, 100 pounds. Let's go.
God.
Come on. Thank you. Oh well. Oh well. Come on. What's your count, 10?
Yeah.
I need that last 5. Let's go. Good. 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 Uno más. Easy. Good job.
I had a conversation with a friend, and in that conversation, they were talking about, you know, hey, what am I doing, so on and so forth. But then as a part of that, they also said, you know, hey, about the black community, high rate of issues with heart and death rate, obesity in the black community. And it's funny that how the conversation came out was like, that's kind of exactly what we're trying to do here through this 100-pound journey. A, to help me get fit, but then to people that can relate to, you know, what's going on with health crisis situations in our community. This is kind of hitting on that.
Big Mike, you about to help a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta see this through. I gotta be here with you to see this through. It's gonna help a lot of people. A lot of people feel like this is it. A lot of people be talking that it's in my blood, my genetics. It's not in your genetics. It's in your habits.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with your genetics. You know, you may be predisposed to certain things, but you can change it. like you're not gonna be obese if you're working out and eating properly.
Correct.
You feel me? So you doing what's necessary right now. You're doing some good work right here, bro. This is not just for you. This is for a lot of people. The weight of the world is on your shoulders.
Shit, I got some big shoulder, brother. That's why we over here working on them today.
So if you fuck this up,
oh, they don't fucking it up, bro.
a million people gonna die.
I don't fuck shit up. Mike, this is some good shit.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. 5. Come on. 8. 9. 10. Come on. Come on. 12. 13. Come on. 20 reps. What's so funny?
I see what you're doing.
What am I doing?
See what you're doing.
I'm being normal.
You're right. You 100% right. You're being normal. I should expect it. You be applying pressure, Mike.
20 is light though. We should be doing 30 reps.
No, I know.
Couple weeks we'll be doing 30 reps.
I'm trying to get the hee-hee.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We good.
Whatever the hee-hee, that's cool. But we're gonna get the dirty 30s. But I'm gonna start y'all with 20s right now. All right, right here. Yep, no leverage.
Fuck.
No momentum.
Okay, fuck.
I don't know what that means. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, high. 9, there you go. 10, there you go. 11, put that effort into it. 12, higher. 13, 14, 15, 16. Come on. 17, 18, 19. Good job.
Funny. I should know what to expect. You mixing it up on me right now.
It's
good, variety.
It's a standard shoulder workout.
Variety is the spice of life, man.
It's normal. It's normal right here. This is bare minimum. This is not, I'm not throwing no loops. It's standard. It's only up from here. You have a base, you have an athletic base.
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
I have to be cognizant of that and service you properly, right? I can't go super easy. You beyond
It ain't even
that.
a nice push. You
beyond
nudge it
that.
right now, and then she gonna shove the
I'm
shit out of me later.
pushing the fuck out of you.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
Push you, wheelchair, push you, whatever. Downhill.
I had some trepidation, only because I didn't know what he was gonna do, and he always pull some things out of the air. So I had some trepidation.
This is the legendary 1,000 Steps Beach. This is gonna accelerate Big Mike's progress. Guaranteed.
Well, I didn't see Willie Norpole do this shit.
Yeah.
He did this?
Good.
All right, well, I guess it's good for Willie Norpole, good enough for me. This is worth Santa Monica?
Oh yeah.
I'm saying?
Nah, this is Santa Monica's short. Ish. Can't tell. Oh, yeah, I feel you.
Listen, I'm gonna be able to tell. I just want to walk from here to the car right now. I ain't gonna be able to tell that much, but no, it's brutal. It's good. And that shit's steep as hell. I'm gonna go down halfway and come back up.
Do it at half a time, you stop.
I looked up and I was like, oh fuck. That's a lot of steps. And you guys already know that I hate running, and I even hate step mill, I think, worse than I hate running. My legs were burning, all the way from my calves to my hamstrings to my butt. Everything was burning. I was sweating profusely like I was being interrogated. But besides that, at the end of it, I think it was probably worse in my mind than it actually ended up being. I didn't die. I got through it. And then actually the next day when we were looking at going to doing it again, I felt optimistic because I've done it before, that I'll do pretty good on it.
Fuck. Woo! Shit.
I do 10 rounds in there, and I love it. It's my therapy. I've been doing for 10 years,
Love it.
and I love it.
Love it. Thank you. No, thank you. When I get more strength, I'll be all right. But yeah,
You all right now?
I mean to be able to go do it multiple times.
You doing it multiple times now?
I know.
Tomorrow we're doing 2. Every time we come, we're doing an additional time, all right? At least we're gonna try, all right?
Another day in the books. How y'all feeling about it? Let me know down below. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Things are going according to plan. Everything's moving along smoothly, all right? I'm attributing a lot of this momentum to y'all. Y'all giving Big Mike a lot of energy, a lot of life. Don't stop, keep it up, because he really needs it. All the encouragement is well appreciated and well received, and we thank you, all right? Now, all y'all out there, if you're embarking on this journey as well, let me know down below. Let me know what questions you have. If you need advice, let's talk about it down in the comments, okay? On that note, I'll see y'all next time, all right? Peace.
We've all been indoctrinated with a way of life that is not conducive to us having real freedom and do what we want to do, how we want to do it, when we want to do it. It's time to break these chains from our brain. I'm going to help you reprogram yourself to have the life that you deserve, because many of y'all are looking for a breakthrough,
which happens at the very first Sacred Society Live Mastermind, where my team and I will deconstruct the elements of success and help you develop a personal roadmap for your journey. They've convinced you that making money is difficult, but it's not. It's a matter of knowing the process and seeing it through. They got you going to a job that you don't like, getting paid less than what you're worth. To take that money, go to your apartment or your house that's not your dream house, so you could sleep, get rest, to get up and go back to that job, making that person rich so they can keep drip feeding you this little bit of money for you to go back, pay these bills so you can rest and go to work. It's a cycle, and it's madness, it's insanity. And this is what they teach. The modern school system teaches people to be like this, docile and obedient. September 2nd, 3rd, and 4th is the Sacred Society Mastermind. We have general admission, we have VIP, and we have ultra VIP. General admission and VIP is the 2nd and the 3rd. Ultra VIP members will also get the 4th, in which we will be going on the ocean, beautiful Atlantic Ocean, Miami, on a yacht. It will be myself, 19 Keys, Wall Street Trapper, Wes Watson, Sean Whalen, Sean Torbati, and a few other of my self-made multi-millionaire homies. You will have access to a live fireside chat. You will get to participate. We will be filming content. You will get to ask us questions. You will get to pitch your ideas. We will give you feedback. It'll be a day that'll change your life. Once you open yourself up to a new standard, you can't go back. I hope y'all are ready. Get your tickets now at sacredsociety.io. I'll see y'all in Miami this September.